Hey guys, so today me and my buddies are gonna go visit this really cool river spot with a rope swing. I built the rope swing last year, but some people like broke it kind of. Like the handle is all stuck up in the tree, so I'm going to Walmart or Lowe's right now to go get some more PVC pipe to make a new handle. Let's do it. This should work out. Now time to check out and head out there. Now this will be our handle. I'm not gonna get any rope today because we actually already have rope out at the river spot that we're going to. We went and checked it out yesterday, and the rope swing we had up there originally, the rope is still there, just the handle's not. So we're gonna reuse that rope. But if you're going to buy some rope, I recommend some towing rope for like tubing behind a boat or something. Just go to like the aquatic section in Walmart. Now we're gonna head out there and get this set up and hit it. Yay! We made it. Hey, that's a big dead fish.
It is.
Holy cow. This is our spot. Okay, so here's our already put up rope. Just gonna grab it. I'm just going to attach the handle now, and then we're good to go. So I just kind of tied it around pretty haphazardly, but it feels pretty sturdy, so let's hit it. All right, here we go, the first test. It's gone! Oh no! Oh no! What? Why did you do that?
I wanted to get more.
Yeah, but like, you have to swing with it. Did you let go on purpose, or was it from the wind?
Oh, I let go as soon as I could, and I'm done.
Okay, yeah.